Ever felt overwhelmed by the number of videos on your YouTube channel? Today, we're diving into how you can clean up your space by deleting all your videos on YouTube. Let's declutter together. First, make sure you're logged into the YouTube account where your videos reside. It's important to remember that deleting your videos is permanent, so consider backing them up before proceeding. Navigate to your profile icon on the top right corner and click on YouTube Studio. This is where all the magic happens. On the left-hand side, you'll find the Content tab. Click on it to view all your uploaded videos. To delete multiple videos at once, hover over the first video you want to delete. Click the checkbox, and then select any other videos you wish to remove. With your videos selected, look for the More Actions drop-down menu. Click it and select Delete Forever. You'll be asked to confirm that you understand these videos will be permanently removed. Check the box and click Delete Forever. And that's it. You've successfully decluttered your YouTube channel. Remember, the internet is forever, so make sure you really want to say goodbye to those videos before you delete them. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, keep your digital space clean and organized.